To activate Peacock with your Xfinity account, start by ensuring you have an active Xfinity Internet subscription. First, ensure you have an active Xfinity Internet subscription. Then, activate Peacock through the Xfinity Stream app on your smart TV, Roku, Fire TV, or by visiting peacock.com. Sign in using your Xfinity credentials. Account linking facilitates single sign-on (SSO), granting access to Peacock without separate logins. Note that the era of free Peacock Premium for Xfinity subscribers ended in mid-2024. You'll likely need to subscribe to Peacock Premium separately or choose an Xfinity bundle that includes it, potentially at a discounted rate like $4.99 a month. Activation works on devices like Roku, Fire TV, and smart TVs connected to Xfinity Internet. Peacock offers two subscription tiers. The free ad-supported tier provides limited content. The premium ad-free tier costs $5.99 per month or $59.99 per year, including live sports and exclusive originals. Device compatibility includes Xfinity X1 and Flex boxes, mobile apps, and smart TVs. Ensure your device is updated and connected to Xfinity Internet. Premium billing integrates into your Xfinity bill or is handled directly via Peacock. Account linking uses two-factor authentication for security. Activation is usually smooth, but potential issues include app glitches or linking failures. As a workaround, try manual Peacock sign-in and ensure accounts are linked properly.